In this quick demo video, I want to show you how easy it is to get Amplify boosting your website in minutes. So let's dive straight in. Now once you've logged into Amplify, the first thing you'll do to create a new campaign is select a template. And as you can see, we've got templates for announcing special offers, delivering discount coupons, running contests, polls, introducing new products, and of course email opt-in templates. Now once you've found a template to start from, just click on select and that'll take you through to the drag and drop builder. Now I've actually created a live campaign based around this template on the Wishloop blog. Okay, so we're here on the Wishloop blog, and if I click on this article here, I've got a conversion mat live on this page. So just after a few seconds in it comes here. And this article happens to be on Facebook ads, so I'm using a guide to Facebook lead ads as an incentive to opt in. So this is a pretty simple conversion mat. It's just got a hook, a call to action and an opt-in form, right? But if you like, you can add videos, social media buttons, countdown timers and tons of other elements to completely customize your campaigns for your own needs. So let's say we want to edit this to see if we can increase our conversions. Let's head back into the drag and drop builder and make a couple of live changes. So I'm going to head to my campaigns and click on lead ads, the campaign, and edit to edit it. Now this is a completely freeform drag and drop builder, so to move elements around you just click on them and drag them to wherever you want, like so. Now if you want to edit any of the text elements, you just double click on the text and then you can change the font, the size, the colour and highlighting and so on. If you want to change any of the settings on the other elements, just click on each of the elements and then the settings will come up. You can change the style and certain settings like adding animation, like so. I can add some animation here to this opt-in form. Now I'm going to make this a multi-step opt-in because I think this will improve the conversion rate. So to do this, I just need to duplicate this first step here and change the name of this to step 2. And now in step 1 I'm going to get rid of this opt-in form and add a button that goes to the second step. Just going to drag in an element here. Let's change that, make it a bit bigger. Edit the text. I want these Facebook ad secrets. And let's just change the colour like that to match. And in the settings for this I'm going to make it so that it takes me to step 2. When you click on this, let's preview the design. So I click on here, opens up step 2. Let's see if this can increase our conversions. Now I just have to save this and close the editor, so I'm just going to go back to the editor, save, and close down. Now once you've customized your campaign, the next step is to set your campaign settings. So let's head into the campaign settings. So here we can set which website domain we want our campaign to appear on and our campaign name. You can see I've called mine lead ads already here. And then we can set whether we want it to appear on mobile, desktop or all platforms. So this would be particularly useful if you're promoting a mobile app. You just want to show it to people who are visiting on mobile. Then we've got display interval, so you can set a number of days to show it between visits, so it doesn't show every time someone visits your website. Then you can set the type of campaign. You can decide whether you want it to be persistent, so it stays after you scroll down, or closable, so that when you click on the down arrow you don't see it again, or a lock campaign. This is if you want to gate some content until an action's completed. So I'm just going to change this campaign so it's closable, so that when we scroll down you don't see the campaign again. Then we've got the delay seconds here. It's currently set to 3 seconds, and opening animation here, where you can set it to slide down or fade in. Now finally, you just need to set your page targeting to determine which page your campaign shows up on. You can target all your campaigns with absolute precision, so if you check this box here, It will show on all pages. If you want it to appear in subfolders, you just type in the subfolder name here, so /blog, and that will appear on all your blog pages, or whatever subfolder you want. If you want it to show based on keywords within the URL, all you need to do is type in the word itself. So as you can see, I've set this campaign to appear on any URL on my domain with the name Facebook in it, so it's going to appear in all our blog articles that have got Facebook in the title. So this is really powerful because it means that articles that we publish in future about Facebook will automatically have this relevant conversion map displaying on them, offering the Facebook download, and then we can offer different downloads based on different keywords on our blog. Okay, so let's save these settings here. So the final step is to integrate Amplifier with your website. And the great thing is you only have to do this once, then all new campaigns or changes you make to your existing campaigns will update on your site automatically. So let's head on over to integrations here. If you're using WordPress, then you just need to install on our Wishloop plugin to your site and insert your unique ID, which you can see here, and that will connect to your account. And for any other platform, you just need to grab the embed code, like so. Just copy and paste that code into your source code on your website, and you're completely done. So our blog's on WordPress, so I'm just going to head on over and show you where the plugin is. We've already got it installed, and in settings there you can see is the Wishloop plugin and our unique ID, and that's it. That's literally all you need to do to connect it to your WordPress site. And the campaign we just edited will have updated on my website because I was editing a live campaign. So let's go and take a look at this page again. I'm just going to look at another article on Facebook. So this has got the keyword Facebook, as you can see here. So after a few seconds, in comes my new campaign, and as you can see, it's now a two-step campaign, so I have to click on the first step and then up pops the second step. I can skip that if I like, and as you see, because I've made it a closable campaign, it's no longer showing. So there you go, have a play yourself, and I look forward to seeing what you create to boost your website's conversions.